My name is Steven Chacos Cabral, and I'm a design engineer at Morgan Truck Body. A typical day is sending a production sheet in the morning to advise my team leaders what I'll be working on, and then moving on through the orders, doing designs as required. We kind of make the required changes to the bill of materials of the order to build the truck per the customer expectations. What I enjoy most about working at Morgan is the environment. Everyone is very helpful. You're able to kind of reach out whenever you don't know something. Overall, a very good culture. So what interested me into coming into Morgan was that my friend who I went to college with was working here, and that's when I started to look more into the company, hearing from the other employees of what their experiences were and how I wanted that to be my experience as well. I definitely think that Morgan is a fun place. In the engineering team, it's good to be around the people that are there. They're very helpful, and if you're the type of person that kind of likes to grow yourself and would like a team to help you achieve those goals, Morgan is definitely for you.